Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use caption maker in Google Docs to add caption to image. So first thing that you will do, guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go to the insert at the top left over here and go to the drawing and go for the new. And now from here, you could just simply click the picture icon over here or the image and just simply upload or drag your file over here. So guys, I will be using our mobile background as an example. And now from here, once it is uploaded, you could just simply go for the text over here. And after that, guys, you could just simply put the caption, let's say at the bottom. And I'm going to click and drag it to whatever size I like. And from here, just simply provide your text. Let's say I'm going to go for subscribe to mobile tutorials. This is just an example, but pretty much this will be depending on you, and just simply select all and go for the three dots over here, and then go for this one, align, and go to the middle, and you can just simply adjust the text size and the bold font as well. And if you want to add a color, you could just simply provide a fill, and from here you will have a save and close button, and just simply click on it. And after that, guys, you should be able to add captions to your image like this. There you go. See ya.